안녕하세요 level 2, batch 1.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so for this morning, we're going to have a story entitled Brother Generous and the Snake. Okay, please write down the title as well as the moral of the story. So later on, I will read the story as well as I will translate it in Visayan language. And afterwards, you're going to write a reflection letter with regards of it. Okay, so again, the title, Brother Generous and the Snake. Done already? Moral. Be grateful to those who are kind to you. Okay, again, be grateful to those who are kind to you. Okay. Aminaw na dire, face in front. Okay. Once a farmer called Brother Generous found a snake in his house. So, nayo sa ka-farmer, ang iyahang pangan, si Brother Generous. So, when we say generous, in Bisaya, manggihatagon. Nakakita siya og snake sa ilang balay. He saw that it was shivering due to cold and lit the fireplace for the snake. So nakita niya nga nagkurug-kurug sa katugnaw ang snake, ang bitin. Unya, yahang gidagkutan ang ilahang fireplace. So naa sila sa ilang balay is naay murag abuhan ba nga pwede nimo dagkutan dito para mo init ang palibot. The snake thought he wanted to kill me. That's why he lit the fire. So, ang hunahuna sa bitin, yan ang gidagkutan kay gusto siya nga patyon po. Now, I'll kill him. So, niana siya sang hunahuna nga, ako siyang patyon una kay hunahuna na ko iya man kong patyon. The snake went quickly towards him, and Brother Generous sensed the danger. He grabbed an axe and killed the ungrateful snake. So, tungod sa iyang gibuhat, nga paspas kay siya padung ni Brother Generous, so na-sense ni Brother Generous nga naa siya sa peligro. So, that is why, yang gigrab ang iyang axe, ang iyang katsa, ug iyang gipatay ang ungrateful nga snake. 안녕하세요 level 2 batch 2.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so for this evening, you're going to share your reflection with regards of the story entitled, say title sa story.
The monkey and sun.
The monkey and the sun. Okay, so now let's have Sophia. Please share your reflection letter. Okay, please.
안녕하세요. 저는 10살 초등학교 5학년 소피아입니다. I learned about how to respect the sun because the sun is doing her duty. One day it's raining and everyone is sick. And the monkey realized her doing is bad. And he said to the sun, "Sorry, I'm very sorry. We respect sun or anything. Be a good person."
Okay, so far so good. Let's have Aljin.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 6학년 알진입니다. I learned that how to respect to the sun and not to yell to everyone and the animals. And we have to accept it. And they are in the jungle, so they are sweet. And we have to accept all the hard works. And I also learned that the monkey that she is yelling to the sun just because they are so sweet.
Okay, let's have Prince. Korean speech.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 초등학교 6학년 이민수입니다. I learned that how to respect other people and the animals, and are the mother and other father, and do not yell everyone, except if you in the jungle in the sun, and do not
Okay, now let's have Jillian May. Sophia, wait. Sophia, put your hands in the table. Dili man ang piling. Okay, let's have Jillian May.
I learned that hot is water and we important the sun and we are healthy but aren't everyone sick and we protect the animals and don't forget to respect and important to do. We learn that good manner and don't talk to stranger and study already.
Okay, very good. So that is your own opinion, your thoughts with regards of the story, The Monkey and the Sun. Okay, very good.
Okay, so L1 class. So our topic for today is about andas. So sabot na ng andas. Mo na itong i-discuss tanan before. See? Ang M, pasabot na multiplication. Kung saan M?
Multiplication.
Okay, niya. Ang D is division.
Division.
Kung saan D?
Division.
Ang A is addition.
Addition.
Kung saan A?
Addition.
Ang S kay subtraction.
Subtraction.
Kung saan S?
Subtraction.
So, mo na siya si times, minus, si plus, o si divide. Nakasabot mo na pasabot sa MDAS. Nakasabot wala?
Kasabot.
Okay, so saan man ang MDAS? So, nata example rin sa board niya kung isuwat. So, which is 2 minus 3 times 10 plus 5. Kung saan man ka-atunghon pag-answer. So, kita mo na naguna rin nga letter, di ba? Kung sa'yo pasabot sa M?
Multiplication.
Ang D?
Division.
Okay, so kana sila, partner na sila. Kasabot, so na ha, remember nga, partner si M o si D. Ya kani si A o si S. Ano na si A?
Addition.
Si S.
Subtraction.
Okay, partner po na sila. So, ang una nimo ansiran is kani si multiplication o si division. Ang sunod si addition o subtraction. Kasabot. For example, diri wala man mo nakita mo divide wala.
Wala.
So, atong unahog answer is ang multiplication. Ang pag-answer sa MDAS, mag-start yun dato sa left. Pero, kung naay mag-una gali nila is kaning minus, yung sa naguna diri, di ba? Minus. Ya, nagsunod ang times. So, ang atong unahon mag-solve is kanang times. Kasabot. Nakasabot wala.
Kasabot.
Okay, so nadire. So, ang kani siyang 2, inyo na siya kopyahon. So, 2, copy ang minus. Pila man si 3 times 10?
30.
Okay, very good. 30. So, answer na to.
So, good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher May.
Karon kay magbasa ta ang story about the broken pot.
The broken pot. A water bearer carried 2 pots, one perfect and the other without crop. The perfect pot proudly held its full load while the crop revealed. I planted flowers on the side of the path, making it beautiful thanks to your roots. Moral: our flaws can sometimes lead to unexpected beauty or usefulness. The broken pot. A water-bearing carried two pots, one perfect and the other with a crack. The perfect pot proudly had its full load, while the cracked pot lay. Feeling worthless, the cracked pot apologized, but the water-bearing revealed planted flowers on your side of the path, making it beautiful thanks to your lake. Moral: our flaws can sometimes lead to unexpected beauty or usefulness.
Ano lang sa tubangan, cooperative shell.